Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch TikTok live on PC. So if you want to watch or stream the TikTok lives on your computer, first you need to open your browser and then go to the tiktok.com like this. And don't forget to sign in to your account. And after you sign in, the homepage will go like this. The for you page will be like this. And to easily watch the TikTok live, you can go to the live panel in here and you'll find live options. So just tap on the live in here. And here on PC, unlike on
Wahyuni Hidayat ada, Molly
mobile,
kosong,
you can
bagus ada khodam
browse
ya,
or
keraputi,
explore TikTok live based
Susanta
on the
kosong,
category.
Yuli
So there are
Astuti
gaming
ada,
categories,
Asma
there
Kalifi belum
are
ada khodam,
also e-sport
Eki
in
ada
here,
khodam ya, khodam
You
sang
can see there are
petapa. Terima kasih
chats,
mawar-mawarnya.
outdoors,
Yang menerbangkan mawar
PUBG
akan
Mobile.
dicek lebih langsung ya,
So there are lots
atau
of
yang menerbangkan
TikTok
donat
live
akan
category in here that you
dicek
can
lebih
watch.
detail.
Here at the top right here, you can also see the category that are following, which are the accounts that you follow on TikTok: gaming, lifestyles, Mobile Legends. So this is the game, Roblox, Minecraft, and Call of Duty. So you can browse in here. You can also just click on the arrow to see all of the category or topic. And to watch, you can just click on the video, the live video that you want to watch, just like this, and you'll see the whole TikTok live video. You can also send a gift in
Untuk di
here
pintu bagian tengahnya
to
sendiri nanti ada
the
slot kunci dalam.
streamer.
Jadi nanti bisa
And if
banget
you want to
dikunci di
leave a
bagian dalam.
comment, you can just type
Jadi
in
nanti
on
pintu
this
bagian
chat
samping
box
kanan
right
baru
here,
dia dikunci di bagian dari luar.
and you'll see how much
Kemudian di pintu
people
bagian
watch
samping kiri
this
nanti dilengkapi dengan dua gantungan
in
baju
here
kakak.
and how much
Ada dua
work
gantungan
they
baju
got.
di mana nanti untuk
You
gantungan
can
baju
also
bagian
mute
bawah
the
bisa
live
lepas
in
aja.
here if you want to. You can also go to full screen mode by clicking on the full screen options. And here you can also go with picture in picture to minimize the live and change the orientation, go with theater mode, and also you can adjust the quality in here. So that's all for me. That's how you can watch a TikTok live on PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.